Even as some protesters remain camped out in front of City Hall.
I think it's a blatant lie. Mayor de Blasio is a liar.
This year's city budget is a done deal.
This is a huge reinvestment in communities while we still stay safe as a city.
On the most contentious part of the budget, NYPD funding, the city has voted to shift $1 billion away from the police department. It's doing so by eliminating the incoming class of police recruits, in all, canceling the hiring of 1,160 officers. Also, by shifting enforcement of illegal vending and school safety to other city agencies. Some say it's not enough.
I vote no on all.
Councilmember Jimmy Van Bramer wanted to see more funding redirected away from policing to support young people.
We took too many cuts when it comes to arts and education.
Congresswoman Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez, writing in a statement, defunding police means defunding police. It does not mean budget tricks or funny math.
School safety officers, they shifted that oversight from the NYPD to the Department of Education.
Others say this is no time to cut police funding, given recent NYPD statistics showing a spike in shootings compared to last year.
And we know that what we're doing will create a more violent city, and yet we're doing it anyway.
Even the president, who's been in a back and forth with the mayor over city plans to paint Black Lives Matter in front of Trump Tower on Fifth Avenue, weighed in.
And what he's done to that group of incredible men and women is very sad.
Now, with all that disagreement, you may be wondering, what did the city council agree on? Well, most city council members are happy with the $115 million in funding that will go to summer youth programs. That includes employment for young people and summer camps. Live in Lower Manhattan, I'm Christian Benavides, Pix 11 News.